Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide and unhide the notch on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on notifications and status bar. Now from here, scroll down and tap on hide notch. Now from here, just select hide without moving the status bar. Now as you can see, this is how you can hide the notch on any Poco phone. Now if you want to unhide the notch, just open the settings app. Now from here, just tap on notifications and status bar. Now from here, scroll down and tap on hide notch. Now if you want to unhide the notch, just select don't hide and it will unhide the notch on your Poco phone. And this is how you can hide and unhide the notch on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.